Okay, guys, so this morning we were talking about Green Globe International Incorporated, or GGII. They've become Hempacco and everything, but anyway, so you take a look at the stock chart. Hey, that's what every OTC stock is, charts basically look like. So, if you've been around, that's kind of the way they've all looked like. Anyway, so beyond that, though, earlier they were GGII. I mean, they're now Hempacco. Hempacco did a reverse merger into it. But if you take a look at GGII's website, and after reading the website, I still don't know what the f they do, you guys. Anyway, so and if you look at the financials that they put in for year-end 2020, they have one asset of $100,000, and that is just their intellectual property or their website, basically. So, you know, they're a joke. Anyway, now Hempacco, now they're selling, hemp cigarettes and everything, and that, obviously there's a market for that and everything. But if you take a look at their THC percentage, it's 10%. And I'm in California, and Californians, that's pretty weak. So, but regardless, they take a look at their location here in San Diego. It is an industrial site, and they do rent that facility. But they are manufacturing cigarettes, and they're shipping them out. So now, if their most recent financials for March 31st for 2021, they submitted no financial information. So which is that it is what it is. I don't that's not a big deal or anything, because they probably didn't start shipping until after that. But regardless, you move on to what they're doing now, and we'll probably see in their next quarterly statement some financial information and everything. However, they're now licensing how to make a hemp cigarette. You guys, I don't know about this, but I mean, anybody who's kind of rolled the joint kind of might know that. Anyway, I mean, their packaging and everything is hemp, and they do have, they do have, technology and patents that are related to what they're doing and everything. But regardless, I think trying to license that is going to be kind of difficult, and we kind of don't know what their sales are versus and there's, I don't know if there's any assets besides if they actually bought the machinery or anything. It might be leased. We don't know. So that's it for Hempacco. I mean, I'm sure we'll see a lot more in their next quarter, or their next financial statement, which I hope has actual numbers involved with it. Anyway, the content is for informational purposes only. You should not construe any such information or other material as legal, tax, investment, financial, or other advice. Nothing contained in our site constitutes, or nothing contained on this website constitutes a solicitation, recommendation, endorsement, or offer by me or anyone else to buy or sell any securities or other financial instruments mentioned in here, and in any other jurisdiction in which such solicitation or offer would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction.